Again. Why does everyone hate me?
Alright, let's head down to the room. Oh, you getting
Okay.
Okay, so have any of you ever wanted a pickle? Well, this device will give you that. As you can see by this calculation, once we plug the pickle into a computer, it will create a massive amount of energy that will create a wonderful cell phone. I mean, you see right here, it goes right there and it bounces off everything. And then this equation allows it to basically give you what you want. Thank you. They will jump and they will when I
Slides out. He'll let the cows out.
What I'm going to tell you all today is about my amazing thesis presentation about how we can contribute power to all the countries in America and throughout the entire world.
This is new. There are more countries in America than one.
Hello? WNBA? Yeah. Please, wait. I think I would make a perfect basketball. I mean, I could bounce around the court, you know, and I would just wait, please. I will do it cheap, you know. $7. $4 a week. $4. Come on, please. No, wait. No, don't blacklist me. Please, I make a great basketball. No! That's right. I am king of the hallway. You best give me respect.
No. So is that framed up?
Are you recording this? Are you recording this? Yes? Yes? Hi, I'm Zach. Hi. Yes. Nasty habits. Yes. Are you good? Are you good?
Okay.
Yes.
No.
This is fun for us. This is fun person to be. I don't want to be human.
Well, I have good news. You're not.
Yeah! Shut up, Kenna.
So I'm gonna make a huge fool out of myself. I mean, I'm going to make myself look like an idiot to all of you. Now, if you see right here, I'm totally making up what I'm saying. I mean, it is fantastic how stupid I look. And, you know, these equations just prove that I have no idea what I'm saying. But, you know, it is amazing what you can do when this equation means nothing and it goes right here to right there. Who cares? You should get this. Thank you.
Did you forget your line?
Oh, damn. And if blah, then it works.